Hey guys, welcome to Dubai. I am at Dubai Boat Show and I am on the Nomad 101. This is of course built by Golfcraft, and because it is over 24 meters, it is built to survey standards of Australia. So what does that mean? That means if you want to buy one of these and then charter it in Australia, you can do. It is built to the appropriate specifications. So speak to the guys at Australian Super Yachts about how exactly you can do that. But this is a pretty special yacht, and I'm going to time lapse through some of it because there is so much space on this boat. It's not funny, but we're going to start with the Saloon. So welcome to the Saloon of the Nomad 101. How beautiful is this? Nomads and Golfcrafts generally don't build in a lot of their furniture so that they can make it as adaptable as you wish it to be. So we've got a beautiful sofa here, and then a gorgeous dining space, and out on the back deck you can see there's a beautiful table and chairs also, which is just gorgeous. Look at all that cockpit space out there. And then you've got amazing windows all the way around. And then we go through to an incredible galley just up here. Now this is the owner's galley. There is in fact a crew space downstairs as well, which has a perfectly good galley for them to use also. So the crew can either use this one and close it off with this door, or they can use the one downstairs for themselves if the owner wants to use this galley up here. So spectacular space, lovely light, subtle decor. That's the Nomad 101 Saloon space. Just gorgeous. This is my favorite part of the Nomad 101. This is the lovely lounge area upstairs. So this isn't your main saloon area. This is another rather decadent area for you to enjoy that goes through to the bridge. See that? And then if we pan around here, you can see it has an incredible outdoor space out here. And the furniture isn't built in, so you can make this look like whatever you want to look like. And if you're chartering it, of course, the wedding planners or whoever are using the yacht can set this up in any way that they wish. And there is just an abundance of space here. Now, a nice little detail here I love is that's actually a dedicated spot for your life rafts. How good is that? That's so cool. We've got amazing walkarounds on this upper deck. Just incredible. I'm going to take you around those because at the front of here you've got another relaxation space. Just in front of your bridge deck, you've got this lovely space here. Just quite incredible, and this is also a good spot to see the foredeck space as well. She is a big baby. Lots and lots of volume for a 100-foot boat. You can see her fly bridge up there. And this is her bridge deck. So now we are up on the flybridge, which has a hard top of the Nomad 101. Another abundance of space up here. barbecue, sink, beach space, and then we've got a massive sun lounging area out the back here. So she is a tri-deck, and she's got an incredible amount of space to enjoy. That's the Nomad 101, a golf craft vessel, available through Australian Super Yachts in Australia. Tell them the boatman sent you. Have a great day, guys.